people out there will say that I'm using delayed data, and I made the mistake. I wish I would not have posted this tweet now. I said yesterday, I said, all done with the aid of delayed data. And some people said, oh, no wonder. Well, that makes sense. It's like I'm using really delayed data. Oh, man. It was delayed only in the sense that the time it takes for me to talk about it live in the live stream and finally making it to your computer or phone. Whatever that delay is, I can't change it. I can't fix it. So I'm always going to have people that are going to doubt it and be detractors, and that's fine. You're going to have the same thing. So just bear that in mind if you were trying to learn how to do this and you want to be a social media influencer. It's not easy, especially if your heart's in it, because I wear my heart on my sleeve and I want all of my students to do well. And when you see me address things that people that don't like me communicate and talk about, I'm concerned about the one person that listens to them and doesn't take the initiative to look into it themselves and see, is there anything to this? They just take somebody else's opinion. They allow social media to mold and shape their opinion, which is the worst thing you can possibly do. I'm weighing myself in the balances in front of all of you. You're able to see what I'm doing every day. I'm right or I'm wrong. The logic is there or it's not. And I've converted a lot of folks that were against me years ago. They don't like to admit it publicly, and I don't rub their nose in it, but I want everyone to do well. Like, that's what I want that. I don't care who's making money as a competitor to me. I don't give a fuck. There's no competition. There's no competition. You make money, everybody else makes money. Who cares? But this faction against faction, this tribe against tribe, this team against other team, there's no ICT team. It's just you. You are an army of one. When you sit in front of your charts and you learn how to do this, you don't need allies. You don't need to call in backup. You're going to do whatever you're going to do, and you're a force to be reckoned with. And your bottom line will be a resulting proof and testimony to that. It doesn't mean you won't have flesh wounds and paper cuts along the way, because you will. But they don't take you out of the game. The only thing that occurs that takes you out is you. Not controlling yourself, not controlling risk, not overtrading. And who's in control of that? You are. Your broker's not going to help you. Your partner that you all see other folks in the comments, hey, I'm looking for a trade partner, someone to learn, as a partner with. No. Unless that person is your spouse or significant other, it doesn't work. A divided mind never sees it the same way. I'm telling you, that's just the fucking truth. You can't deny it. Once you try it, and you'll drive yourself crazy doing it. You're asking to be in a laboratory experiment, two different individuals with two different personalities, two sets of character flaws. And we all have character flaws. And you're all going to decipher and interpret whatever I say in my lectures differently, because you're cherry picking in the beginning. You want to get right to the buy me, sell me, stop here, target here. And you're all trying to listen to the things I'm saying like I'm talking secret code. Oh, he's giving an enigma message. He's talking in parables. He's really speaking to me, and he's telling me to buy S&P right now. No, I'm just fucking talking.